Hi everyone. I've decided to grow some stevia hydroponically. So I thought I'd start off and show you the progress on this one. I've had some success in the past growing basil, but I haven't tried stevia before, so I'll just take you through the steps, okay? First, I've got hydrogen peroxide and water, just plain drinking water. And I've taken the cap off the drinking water, filled it with hydrogen peroxide, and put it in the bottle and shaken the bottle. I've taken 2 plastic bags, poured the hydrogen peroxide in there, and shook it out. And then next I took a napkin and cut it in half. And then I took my drinking water, which had the hydrogen peroxide in it, and wetted down the napkins. And I let them sit for a few minutes to get some of the water out before I put the stevia seeds on. And this is going to be the unit that has like the growing media. I got this hydroponic thing that has a light on the top. I'll show you that in a second. But when I lift up the top here, I can't really lift it up. Inside there's a packet of growing media, and the water comes up through the bottom. So I've also ordered a bubbling system, which consists of an air pump connected to 2 round stones, hydroponic stones, to sit in the bottom. It wasn't made to bubble, but through experience, I know that bubblers are best for hydroponics. Let me just pause here and take you over to the unit on the floor. So this unit sits on the floor. It cost me $40 for the unit through Amazon. I'm just going to turn on the light. There's a button at the end of the stick light. It turns on, but it never turns off. So I got a timer coming to turn off the light. They're cheap. So you can see I took one of the units out. Water sits down in there. This one's nice because it's got a little clear thing in the front. You can see the water level. There's no bubbler in it. But like I said, I've got an air pump coming with a bubbling stone. Actually 2 bubbling stones, 4-inch bubbling stones to sit in the bottom, and to pump the air through. I'm going to pause this again. Okay, what I've just done is open the packet. These are very small seeds. And the packet says that there's 8 seeds. I don't know, but I've got to get 8, at least 4 on each sheet if there's 8. Let's try to get them on. Try to center them. I'm going to put this down and I'm going to pause this again and take a knife, try to get those seeds out. Okay, so I was very carefully trying to get the seeds onto the paper towel, but I see somehow I've lost one. They're very tiny seeds, and I was trying to be very careful. I had the foil close to the paper towel, but somehow I lost the seed. Very tiny seeds. Not sure how that happened, but expensive, you know. We're talking 8, and it costs you $8. It's $1 a seed. So done that. Now I'm going to try to get it into the plastic bags here. So I'm going to put it back on pause. Okay, so what I did was fold over the tissue on top of the seed, and I put them in the plastic bag. Now after they germinate, which should take about 2 to 3 days, they'll go inside, and we'll open this up, and there's a packet of growing media. They'll go inside the thing, and then they'll sit in water. These will sit in water. And once they've germinated, they start growing, then we'll get the bubbler growing, and the bubble will supply. I've got food, liquid food that I bought through Amazon for aeroponic growing, and the bubbler will provide nutrients to the roots. So what we'll do now is we'll just let this sit, and what I'll do is I'll take this, I'll put these on top, and then I'll turn on the light, and just leave the light. It's a LED light that is equivalent to having the sun sit right on top of these two guys, and hopefully they'll start germinating. And once they've sprouted, because this is for sprouting first, so then we'll put the 2 tissues inside the little box, and the box will be in the aeroponics container, and hopefully we'll take it from there. So this is the first day, so we'll do this in little increments so you can see how it goes.